Welcome to What's in the Box. I'm Tony Cook, and today, mail call. I received a package from Springfield, Illinois-based Jackson Standard Models, and I emphasize Springfield, Illinois, as it is a favorite rail town of mine. I grew up in the central Illinois area and spent many a Saturday, Sunday, and other various holidays in Springfield watching the N&W, the GM&O, the hometown C&IM, great railroad, and Model Railroad News, a magazine that I produce for White River Productions. Our Ryan Crawford, who's a regular contributor, is a Springfield area native. So Springfield is a favorite town of myself and some friends. So exciting to see this Jackson Standard Models with their modern relay shed. You see it here, it's injection molded plastic. It's an easy to build kit. They give you complete instructions. It's based on a Safe Trans Systems prototype. It's made in the US. In fact, it appears that it's made in the Springfield, Illinois area. If you go to their website, and I'll put a link at the bottom that you can go to jacksonstandard.com, read more about the company, and they actually have videos and information showing the molds and how they put these together. But a really awesome piece and very nicely done. As you see, their tagline is where every rivet is counted. And you may remember trackside details such as these. First one I can remember is this AHM release. And it's interesting again to note Springfield, Illinois. I probably got my first example of this from the Woolco discount store in Springfield, Illinois many years ago, as they always stocked AHM items like this. But this is one of the first kind of trackside boxes of this nature I remember being reproduced in plastic HO scale. And you know, it's a very basic affair, but I'm sure there's probably many a layout even today that has this sitting trackside. But can we do better? Is there a modern, better example of this that would be more accurate for your railroad? And I think that's something Jackson Standard Models has available for us now. And here are two completed and painted examples that were supplied to me by Jackson Standard Models of their modern relay shed. These really look great. I love the detail, you know, as they state in their Who We Are and What We Do section on their website, and I'll put a link in the description below to get you there. These are really wonderful little plastic models, and the kit is, as you saw, very basic and sells for $12. This view gives you a look at the modern relay shed. I've just done a simple setup here. This is Cato Unitrack, and that's the recent Rivarossi run of their 6-axle U25C. That one may be actually, no, it is U25C. They do the U28C Phase 1 as well, which I need to share those with you soon. This is a wonderful model. Regardless, there is the Jackson Standard Models relay shed, kind of sitting trackside more or less as you might find it along a modern right-of-way, to give you an idea of scale and proportion. The prototype, as they state, is a contemporary 6 by 8 foot relay shed, and they even mention the prototype in their information. If you're a spotter for these, Safe Trans System Corporation is what this relay shed, that's who manufactures these. So there you have it, the Jackson Standard Models relay shed. I'm very impressed with it. It is a neat model. It's attractively priced at $12. It looks like even I might be able to put that together, which is always a nice feature for any release. So there you have it, the modern relay shed from Springfield, Illinois' Jackson Standard Models. And that's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.